Hello again, my name is Leslie Skelly and I'm Senior Consultant with IDCON. This is tip number 12 in the Practical Planning Tip series. We are all well aware of the benefits of good planning processes with well-defined roles and responsibilities. A topic organizations forget about is training and the development of an effective planner. Identify specific skills and knowledge gaps by performance evaluations, conducting planner audits, and seeking feedback from supervisors and/or technicians. Do your homework and determine the best training to continuously invest in professional development to enhance their skills and knowledge of new equipment, tools and technology, safety protocols, CMMS, and other computer skills. Planners can also benefit from soft skills training. We tend to forget the human element of maintenance and reliability. These skills are essential for planners to effectively communicate and coordinate with site personnel. Check out idcon.com for more information on planner training. There are many options such as e-learning, public 2-day training sessions, and on-site planner coaching, mentoring, and training. This concludes my series of 12 practical planning tips. Please let me know if they're useful. Provide me some feedback. I would love to hear from you. The list is really endless. I appreciate your time. Like the video and subscribe to IDCON's YouTube channel for additional information and more videos.